Hi, friends. Welcome back to math. We are still talking about fractions today. We are in lesson 11.6, fraction practice. Go ahead and take out your paper. It is page 331 and 332, and it's got waffles on it. Delicious waffles. I think I need to make waffles for breakfast. All right. Go ahead and take out your paper. I'm going to share my screen really quick, and then we're going to jump right in, all right? Here we go. We're going to draw lines to divide each waffle into equal parts, all right? And then we're going to write the fraction out. Give me a second. I'm so sorry. I didn't grab my book out. Get that now. Okay, perfect. So they already did the first little section there for you. They drew that line. So I'll go over it just so you could see it. It's kind of weird when it's gray. All right, then they wrote 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 2/2 or 1 whole. So this side plus this side is 2/2, which equals 1 whole. Okay, so on the next one, we are going to cut this into 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3 lines equals 4 parts. So if I go 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 4/4 or 1 whole. Got it? Awesome. Now it wants us to cut this one into 8 pieces. So I'm going to do the same thing as above, cut it into 4 and then cut it in half. 1, 2, 3 lines, and then I'm going to go all the way across, and that's going to give me 8 pieces, equal parts, right? Because that's the whole goal in this, is to get equal parts. Now, one of these, if I ate one, that would be 1/8. And another one would be another 1/8. All of these pieces equal 1/8. So there's going to be 8 of them because there's 8 slices. So 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 all the way to 8 slices equals 8/8. Sounds a little bit trickier, a little bit silly, right? Say it with me. 8/8. Yes, 8/8 equals 1 whole. Because really, if I ate all of these, if I ended up eating 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8, I would have eaten the whole entire thing, right? So 8/8. Circle the correct fraction of each fruit. So blueberries. Well, the blueberries, there's 4 of them. If I had 1/4, it would be how many blueberries? Just 1. Very good. Now, bananas, there's 4 bananas. If I had 3/4, it's 3. We're going to circle 3 out of 4 of them. Very good. And then the strawberries, there's 4 equal parts. Now, if I had 2/4 of the strawberries, if I ate 2/4, it would be 2 of them. Good job. All right, guys, let's move on over to the back. Write the fraction for each part. So it's asking you how many red. So the red is 1/8. Now the yellow right up above is also 1/8. Now there's 1/8 blue, 1/8 red, 1/8 is yellow, 1/8 is blue, 1/8 red, and 1/8 yellow. Equals how many eighths? 8/8, but now we get to write up a fraction of how many are red. 1, 2, 3. So 3/8 are red. How many are blue? Did you say 2? Yes, 2/8. Say the whole thing. 2/8 are blue. And how many are yellow? 3. 3/8 are yellow. Good job, guys. All right, let's keep going. write 2 fractions for each shape. So how many is yellow? And then how many is not yellow? So we have 3. There's 3 parts here, right? Okay, how many are yellow? Well, there's 3 parts, so 1 part out of the 3 is yellow, 1/3. How many are not yellow? That would be 2/3. Good job. Okay, now we have to see how many slices are here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slices, so we know the denominator is 5 for both. How many is pink? 1/5. And how many are not pink? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/5 are not pink. Do you guys, are you with me? Do you see how we got that? Yes. Okay, good. All right, let's look at number 13. Well, we have to first know how many pieces we have, equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our denominator is 8. Well, how many are green? Just 1 is green, right? And how many are not green? Well, all the rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eighths are not green. Only 1/8 is green. All right, let's keep going. Let's count how many parts are in number 14. Equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is our denominator. How many are yellow? Well, only 1 part out of the 6 is yellow. And the other 5 parts, because together 1 plus 5 is 6, so I know the other 5 parts are not yellow. So 1/6 is yellow, 5/6, tongue twister again, 5/6 are not yellow. Okay, now's your chance. You're gonna get a blue, a red, and a green color pencil or marker. And we're gonna get to divide this pie, I guess. We'll call it a pie. It could be a pizza or just a pie. You're gonna use only blue, red, and green crayons to color the circle. Be sure to have at least 1 part in each color. Make sure to color all the parts. Then you're gonna write the fractions. So this is gonna be however you want. You can divide it however you want, but your information has to be correct. So the way that you fill out these things over here has to be correct based on the information you do here, okay? So I'm gonna color, let's see. I'm gonna start with red. So I'm coloring 3 parts red. 2 parts green. You can do exactly what I do, or you can do something completely different. It is up to you guys. And 3 parts blue. Okay, so how many pieces were all together? 8 pieces. So 8, how many are blue? 3/8, because I colored 1, 2, 3. And that was not even a good drawing there. 1, 2, 3. 3 were blue, 3 out of the 8. Now, how many were green? There was 1, 2. So out of 8 slices, 2 of them were green. Very good. Now, how many were red? 8 is in the denominator, and red, I had 1, 2, 3. Another 3/8. Budgie, come. Lay down, please. Sorry, friends. Lay down. She gets really excited when she hears people going by. Okay, how many were blue and red? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pieces altogether out of the 8. There was 8 pieces in the whole pie, and 6 of them were red and blue. And you know what, friends? We just made it to the end of our paper. That was it. We just reviewed fractions. You guys did amazing. I'm so proud of you. We'll talk soon, okay? Bye.